Hello friends, this is the Leetcode problems, product sales analysis. So we have two tables, one is product table and another is sales table. So sales table has this sales ID, product ID, year, quantity and price. And product table has product ID and product name. So output should be like this: product name, year and price. So from this table product name and year should be from sales table and price. So look like it should be the inner join. Okay, so let's try. We need product name, so select we will select product name is product name is on product table. Okay, so we'll get the table name product name. Okay, and then comma we'll need year, so this sales it's from sales table. Okay, sales dot year, and then we need price, so we have this price on the sales table, sales dot price. From which table we need to give sales table as a table A, from sales inner join. Okay, inner join product table, we'll give this inner join on product table. And on condition, what is a condition? We have this sales ID, we have a product ID similar. Okay, we have the product ID, so product ID will mention product ID and sales product ID, sales product ID. So let's try. It should be the right answer. Yeah, it's product name and product name. Expected is that, and this is the expected. Okay, so here is something like they have done the ascending order. Anyway, this is accepted. Thank you.